Hello everyone. So as I promised, here we are with another video, and this video is going to feature the box of me building this ship that I got from my haul video. So this is the boat, and it's supposed to look like that. So here we go. No more talking, let's start building. All right. First things first, let's open it up. And that's what it looks like with all the parts. That's a hell of a lot of parts. The front, the rear, the front side, and the top. I don't know why they the very front. So this is how it's gonna look at the end of it, and they give you a little sticker. I don't know where you're gonna post that, or maybe that's just for you to keep. Oh no, it's like a little stand. It'll go in there somewhere. And so here's the instructions. So let's get building. First things first, everything's in Japanese. So just read nothing. Let's just take a look at the pictures and see how it goes. Well, their parts are A, and there's letters and numbers, so that should be easy to decipher. So let's try this. I'll keep the instructions here, and we'll go. All right, so this has a bunch of stickers. So this is B, and where's A? That's C. So A right there. So this is the bottom, and that's the top from what the picture shows. Oh, that's what the stickers are for. Man, those are little ass stickers. I got fat ass fingers. I don't know if I should put it on first and then
what's that called, that ship?
One Piece.
No,
The one I'm doing now?
huh?
The one I'm doing now? It's called Thousand Sunny. Or just Sunny for short.
No, the ship itself. Because what if they have a online...
Yeah, it's called Gold Thousand Sunny.
Gold?
Gold. Sunny. Alright. Anyways, before we were interrupted, I was deciding on whether I should place the stickers first and then put the pieces on. Which I think I should, because it's going to be a little harder to knot. Alright, so we're going to open the stickers. Do you have tweezers? Yeah, tweezers. You need tweezers to do this job. They don't provide tweezers. Sticker inserted. First sticker. Okay, and then there's other stickers to go on the deck. And they have these little symbols on there. You can see that right there. That correspond with the picture. It's all gonna be worth it once it's done. I hope. Nah, it's gonna look dope. Okay, now the next piece. has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stickers, which I put. Let's get back to this part. Uh-oh. Are you okay? Look like... Yay! Done, babe. Got it done.